How to find your UID on Bitget. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Bitget application on your device. If you do not have the application, you can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Now, make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in, tap on the menu icon on the top left of your screen. Now, under your username, you will be able to view your UID. You can also tap on your username to view your UID properly along with other details, and you can also copy your UID from this interface if you want. So this is how you can find your UID on Bitget. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.